Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Electro Drive News. I'm your host, Emma, and we're driving into the future of electric vehicles today with a game-changing partnership that's about to revolutionize the automotive industry. Changan Mazda has just announced its collaboration with battery giant CATL to develop next-generation electric vehicles on CATL's cutting-edge skateboard platform, CIIC. Imagine an electric car with its battery cells integrated directly into the chassis. That's exactly what this innovative technology is all about. Cell-to-chassis technology, as coined by CATL, means the battery becomes a load-bearing part of the structure, significantly reducing development time and costs for manufacturers like Changan Mazda. And it looks like they're about to get a major boost from this partnership. The first model based on the CIIC skateboard chassis is actually the 800-volt version of the Neta S estate, developed by JAC brand Yue. Not only will this platform enable rapid launch times for electric cars, but Yue also plans to use exchangeable batteries in its models, making maintenance and upgrading much more efficient. Now, Changan Mazda is joining forces with CATL to take this technology to the next level. Their collaboration will focus on chassis integration and manufacturing cooperation, aiming to decouple vehicle development from body and underbody components. This means manufacturers like Changan Mazda can adapt faster to changing market requirements and develop new electric vehicles more quickly. It's no surprise that Changan Mazda has been getting into electric cars lately, with recent models like the Mazda EZ6 and EZ60 gaining attention on both Chinese and European markets. And now, this partnership is set to take their electric offerings to an even higher level. So, what does this mean for the future of electric vehicles? With companies like Changan Mazda and CATL working together to push innovation forward, it's clear that we're heading towards a more efficient and sustainable transportation system. Stay tuned on Electro Drive News for all the latest updates on the world of electric cars, and join us next time as we drive into the future.